Hello, everyone. My name is Moha Paulson. I'm a full stack web developer, and this is a project that I just completed. This is a learning management system where I train people on software development. So I created this system where I could have students who can learn online. So it is 100% online, 100% self-paced. It is something that it is very, very mobile responsive. People can use their mobile phones to start classes and stuff like that. Okay, so I just completed this and I have few students taking the classes too. So, but let me and take you through the whole system, how it works. Okay. You can sign in, you can sign up. Okay. So I can go on to sign up, but I already have an account. So what I will do is just to click, I already have an account, I click sign in. So I can come here and then I can sign in. Um, okay. Then, of course, I could actually check to see if my password is correct, and I could log in. Okay. Now I am logged in. All right. I could go to my dashboard. All right. Now here is my dashboard. Okay. My dashboard will be showing the courses I have bought. Right now I have 5 courses I have bought. I have completed none of them. Now I have because we also I included a referral system. Okay, so in case you refer your friends, your family members, okay, we would also give you some bonuses. So that network marketing model was included in this and is working perfectly. So currently, this my account. I have 4 people in my network. That means I have some people I have referred, who referred people, stuff like that. And when the people you refer buy our course, you will be credited with some money. So this my account has been created with 2,500 naira. Okay, so that's what I have in my wallet. So now these are the courses that I have bought. Okay, here is showing front-end web development with React. I bought this course and I have just completed 3% of it. This one full stack, I've just completed 2%. I also have this one JavaScript, and I have completed the 3% of this and so on. So right now, I could actually go now. You can see that this has a teacher's mode, okay? So because I am a teacher, okay, I can actually switch to teacher's mode because as a teacher, I can create courses, all right? So now, now that I just want to show you how I will come back to this teacher's mode. Now, if you can see this notification comes in because I am a teacher, okay? So whenever my students submit their assignment, because after the classes, students would also submit assignments. All right. So when they submit assignment, I would be able to see those assignments. Okay, then I will now go and mark the assignment as a teacher. So if they also have any question, if they ask any question in any of the classes they take, I would also get notification. Okay, and stuff like that. So, but I'm going to show you more of this. So right now, students can actually come here to browse for more courses. Okay, so they can actually come to browse for courses. So these are the courses that are available here, all the courses that we have. Okay, but now I can just select by categories. If I click on back end development, it will only give me all the courses that are in the category of back end. Okay, all right. So um, okay, so now I can also search by title. Okay, I could say Java. Okay, I could say Java, and it takes some time to load. Okay, okay, okay. So for some reason it's not coming up. Um, okay, so it was actually delaying, so I have to refresh. Okay, yeah, I have to refresh, and it gave me this is the Java that I have. So for some reason, it wasn't really coming up the way I expected it, but So I could actually select based on categories. Okay, but this is somehow delaying. All right, so if I go to the profile, all right, students can actually set up their profile. Okay, so if you want to change your profile picture, you can actually click on this, then choose a file from your system and upload. All right, but I'm not going to do that. Then you can actually edit your phone number, your phone number, your last name. You can actually do all these things. Now, because for this referral, this is where the user actually says, okay, this is the person that referred them to us. But because this is my account, I have selected the referral already, so I cannot change it. Had it been I don't have any referral yet, I would have seen edit referral, so I can now click to actually set referral. But right now, this referral, I have already selected the referral, so you can't, I can't edit it anymore because I have already done that. So when we go to the wallet system, all right, you can see that this application is very fast. Okay, so far, this is the total balance I have in my wallet system. This is the earnings I have made from the affiliate earnings from the referrals, people who have bought courses, the money I have made. That means this is the incoming, the money that have come in, and this is the outgoing. Because with your wallet, you can also use your money to buy course or withdraw it or transfer. So this, any transaction you do here would be actually outgoing. So we have incoming, we have outgoing, and this is a chart that shows. Okay, this is a chart that shows in the month of January, year 2025. All right, how much have come in and how much have gone out. So this account was created in 2024. So we can go back to 2024. And in 2024, there was no money coming in or going out. But 2025, okay, we have 3,500 coming in, all right, and 1,000 naira going out, okay. So we can come down and see the recent incoming and outgoing details. So in Monday, January 27, 2025, 500 naira came in as a referral, commission from referral. And 1,000 naira went out because I used 1,000 naira to buy one of the courses I am using. 1,500 naira came in, commission from referral, stuff like that, okay? So I could also take you to the network. Um, so here is network, and you can see this is the total money I have made from the system, from the referral system, and this is the total sales. Okay, this money actually accumulated because when we were testing it, we used this account to test it. So this is the total money that I have made. All the people that I have referred to the system, they have bought courses worth of 670,000 naira, and I have gotten a commission of 15%. So this 15% is supposed to be what I earned here is supposed to be 50% of this, but because when we were testing it, I had to delete some data, so this really didn't really match. Okay, so but now I have four people in the network. So these commissions actually accumulate when people buy. So whatever commission I get from the transaction, it will accumulate here. So in January, I made 3,500 naira. Okay. And this is 2025, but in 2024, I didn't make any money. Okay. So, but in January so far, I have made 3,500. So in February, this is February, I'm recording this in the 2nd of February. I have not made anything. So I could actually see check. This is showing my monthly earning. I can go for my network growth. Let me see how many people who have joined my network. So in 2025, January, 3 people joined my network. Nobody has joined in February yet. So if I go to 2024, you can see I have one person joining in December 2024. So this is how the system works. So this is the recent earning, the recent earnings. Okay, this is how the recent earnings. So this person is one of the people I referred, and they bought a course. They pay 10,000 naira because this is Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. Okay, so this is 10,000 naira. They pay 10,000 because you can actually pay in installments. Okay, so she paid 10,000 naira, and I got a 5% commission. All right, and that's 500 naira. So also bought another course, paid 30,000 naira. I got 5% commission and stuff like that. This is how it is. So I can also show my network additions, how many people joining my network. So this is the recent people joining my network. I have this person, all right, this person has set up their profile. So that is why I have their full details, their name, their phone number, their WhatsApp number. And this person is in my first generation. And this person joined on 3rd of December 2024. So this is another person who hasn't set up their profile, but this person is in my second generation. This person is in my third generation. Okay, so that's how it works. So let me take you through the classes, how the classes work. So I go to my dashboard. I go to my dashboard so I can select any of these courses. I click on it, so it's taking me to the class now. All right, so this is the description for this class, and I have paid some money, and I have 50,000 naira remaining to complete the fee because you can pay in installments. Okay, so these are the courses that are part of this package. So I can just select one of them. Let's say I take JavaScript. I have completed 3% of this course, this particular course. It has 15 chapters. I have 5 free chapters, and I have not paid for um, anyone. That means I have not paid any money for this course, but I can actually view the free chapters. So I could come here. I could come here, all right? And if you can see, these are the chapters, all right, that are free because I can only access courses that I have paid for. I can only access the chapters I paid for because as I pay, some chapters will be available for me. So now, this is a chapter. I have completed this chapter. So if I click on this chapter now, I'll have this drop down, but this is the chapter description. So it says you have already completed this chapter, and this chapter has 6 sections, and in total it's 184 minutes. So you can like, you can dislike, you can rate, you can view comments. Okay, you can actually add your own comment. And so after every chapter, there is also a test to write. So I have written the test for this chapter. That's why I have completed it. Okay, so let me go to the course that I have actually paid for. So I will have to go back to um, my dashboard. And there is something more I want to show. So I haven't. Okay, so I will have to. Okay, so I've gone to my dashboard. Let me go for the course that I have paid for. Okay, I haven't paid for this one. So, okay, so now we have some courses are single, some courses have other courses inside. So, full stack web development has like 15 courses in it, okay, as a full package. So, um, I would now come here. Okay, I have paid 20,000 naira out of the money, so it is remaining 280,000 naira. So I would come here, and if you can see, the 20,000 naira I paid for this course has given me 15 chapters from this one. It gave me 4 chapters. So the money I paid was because as you pay, you will get a course content that is equivalent to the percentage of the money you pay. So let's say you pay 10% of the course fee, you're going to get 10% course content. So this has given me 15, all the 15 chapters here, but gave me 4 out of 22 here. The money wasn't enough to actually get here. So if I make some payment again, I could have more chapters available to me. So let me go to JavaScript, which all the chapters have been paid for. So from here, now these are people, this has 3 ratings and 4.8 rating. 59 students have taken this chapter. 5 people liked it and there is no dislike, and you have to comment. So now you can see, you can see all these chapters have been completed. Look at it marked green with that icon there. But this chapter, I haven't completed it. But if I open it, I will see the sections inside of it because every chapter is broken down into sections. So I have completed this one, and it's saying that I have just completed 70% of the whole chapter. So I can come here and take this. Now these classes are recorded videos, and after watching the video and taking the class, you can ask some questions. All right, you can ask questions and you can like or dislike. 3 students have completed this section. You can rate it. You can make your comment. Then after taking the video, now the video is actually still loading. Okay, my network isn't that strong. All right, so it's actually still loading. Okay, and it's actually the network that made me, when I was searching for those courses, they didn't just come through on time. So, but yes, I think we need to add some user experience to let user know that it's actually loading. That is one thing we could add there to show user that yes, something is still coming up. Okay, so but this is still loading. Now, after watching the video, after taking the class, you would write a quick test. So here you will now come and answer these questions. And if you score 7/10, you passed. If you didn't score up to 7/10, that means you have to repeat the class or you repeat the test. Or you can reach out to your instructor. If you click on this button here, it will take you to our WhatsApp group where you can actually drop a question. All right? Okay. So I'm going back to the page. All right. So you can actually, when you pass your test, you can now go to the next section. But one thing here is this: if you don't pass this test, you will not go to the next section. All right. And then you can actually take your assignment. Now, this is an assignment. They say print odd numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, that's what the first assignment. All right. The second assignment, this is the assignment for this class, for this session. All right. So the student will now submit the assignment. Like when they submit this assignment here, I will get a notification as the instructor that somebody has submitted the assignment. Okay, so now this has actually come. So if I play this video, so this video is
All
about
right,
while
welcome back, the genius.
okay.
So let us get started.
So I can actually fast forward, I can
Saw it
skip,
in the for loop. When it
okay,
goes back to check,
I can
now count
expand
is
it.
now 1. Is 1 less than 5? Yes, it's less than 5. It will print count, increment
The
again,
classes are
go
very
back, check
practical
again. It will
intensive.
do this thing until
Okay, so
count
after completing this video, you
is
go and write your
equal to
test.
5.
Okay, you go and write your test, and if you pass the test, that means you can go to the next section. If not, if I try to go to the next section now, check out what happens. The next section will not be available to me because I have not completed the previous section. So I have to go back. So if you don't complete the previous section, you cannot go to the next section. So that's how the classes work. And this is very, very mobile responsive too. Okay. So what else would I want to show you here? So I can actually go back to dashboard. Okay. I go back to dashboard and then I can switch to teachers mode. If I switch to teachers mode, so it's going to take me in. Now, these are the courses that I have created. I can actually create a new course, but these are the courses that I have created available. Some of them have been published, some of them have not been published. So then if I go to, let's say JavaScript, I will have to go back ahead. So if I come here to JavaScript, I could actually click edit course. So it will take me to the course page. Now, this is where I can do all the stuff I need to do, course title, subtitle, editing, everything I need to do. And these are the chapters. I can actually add a new chapter or I can delete a chapter from here. I can actually delete this chapter, this course, or I can unpublish it. Okay. So, but let's say I go to if I check this, let me check any of the assignment that have been submitted. Let me show you. Okay, assignment has been submitted for data type conversion in JavaScript. So if I go to data type conversion, that means it should be in variables and data types. So I will click here, this icon to go to the chapter page, then I'll see data type and conversion. So if I click on this now, these are sections in this chapter. So I can view assignments, I can view questions people have sent. So if I view questions, I could actually see if there's any question. But I don't think there's any question from this section. All right, so it's actually loading. Okay, so like I said, my network is somehow poor. So, but I can view assignments. So now it's going to, these are all the assignments for this session. So now you can see people's assignment. Okay, so I can actually click to add a remark. Okay, I can say awesome as a remark. And when I send this, the student is going to get a notification for a remark. Okay, and your remark is submitted. So I can also I can pass this if the person got it. So this says convert a string to a number. All right. Now this guy didn't get this thing correctly. They said convert a string. So here, let string equal to 15 is not a string. So I didn't even look at it very well. So I cannot pass it. So I could say, sorry, you got it wrong. Okay. 15 is not a string because is not enclosed in single or double quotes, and you didn't use template literal. Okay. All right. So now I've told them why they did it. So I cannot pass this. They didn't get it. Okay, because this is not a string. All right. This can never be because it's not enclosed in double quote or even using backticks or template literal. So I cannot do this. So I cannot pass it. So I would send it to the person. I think I have some issues request with 500. Okay, so I don't know what happened here, but the first one went on, so I don't know if it could be network or something. So now I could just copy this. Okay, copy this and I will refresh and I will have to resubmit that again. Okay, so I will refresh. I'll add this remark. All right, so I will submit. All right, so this time around you went through. So I'll check my log to see why that one didn't go through. So I cannot pass this one because this person didn't get the answer. So I can also check this one. Okay, this person got it says to string. Um so I can actually take a look at it and see whether they pass it, or if they pass it, I would click on it to pass. So they will also see notification that it has been passed. But right now, I'm not just going to that details now because I need to take a look at what they have written as their answer before I can pass it or give a remark. So that is how it works. So I can create courses here. I can edit and do stuff like that. So this is an amazing platform we have created here. And by the grace of God, I actually did this thing all by myself. From scratch. All right, from scratch, I designed and created all this, and it's perfectly working. Students are currently using it. So, in case you need me to do any job for you, be rest assured that I can really deliver. All right, this is my second big application that I'm building, and this is perfectly working so well. Okay, so thank you very much, and I'll be waiting to do business with you. Have a nice day.